concerts later, the ensemble is here again this week to celebrate its 10th anniversary with concerts which they're holding in Karachi, Hyderabad, Islamabad and in Lahore, paying homage to the ensemble's birthdays. Tonight's performers are 4 wing soloists and 1 Thomas Hopper on the piano, hence the name Ensemble 4.1, who have enthusiastically devoted themselves to this wonderful genre of classical music. For us, they will be playing a piece by Germany's probably most famous composer, Ludwig van Beethoven, and a more contemporary composer, Gieseking. Their anniversary coincides with our anniversary. We are celebrating our 20th anniversary this year, and this is part of those ongoing celebrations. Before I leave the stage, because I don't want to take up too much of your time, I would like to thank a few people. First of all, I would like to thank all our students, because all our students are here tonight, and it's really wonderful, and I hope you enjoy yourselves. My special thanks goes to Dr. Razala Irfan of the All Pakistan Music Conference, which for the first time has partnered with us to make this